Stop scrolling. These crispy Keto Cinnamon-Cream Cheese Roll-Ups are calling your name. Grab 4 ounces cream cheese, a 1/4 cup almond flour, a 1/4 cup erythritol, 1 teaspoon cinnamon, a 1/4 teaspoon vanilla, pinch of salt, 2 eggs, and a little coconut oil. Beat the cream cheese, almond flour, sweetener, cinnamon, vanilla, and salt until silky smooth. In a new bowl, whisk both eggs until frothy. Pour half the eggs into a hot non-stick pan. Let it set, flip, and you have a zero-carb crepe. Repeat. Spread that cinnamon cream filling edge to edge, then roll each crepe up tight. Back in the skillet with coconut oil, fry 1 minute per side until golden and crispy. Sweet, creamy, and only 3 net carbs each. Keto dessert perfection. Like and follow for more low-carb cravings satisfied.